Good morning, dear children. Welcome you all in this moral science class. Children, what are these? Yes, these are beautiful gifts. And on your birthday, you must have received different gifts. Some gifts you like most because they are very costly, and some gifts are very precious to you because they are given by you from your dear ones. Children, today's topic is associated with gifts, and the name of the topic is the stale gifts. So, children, now let us read the topic and understand the moral that we get from this topic. Lesson number 9, The Stale Gift. A young man was traveling to a remote desert to meet his teacher and other elderly member of his tribe. While crossing his desert town, he came across a spring of sweet crystal clear water. The water of the stream was so sweet that he filled his leather container with that water so that he could carry some for his teacher and other tribe members. Children, tribe members means tribe कहते हैं सोशल ग्रुप को, ओके? और उस सोशल ग्रुप के मेंबर्स के लिए he was carrying the water in leather container. As you all know, in desert area there is a deficiency of water. People do not get easily water. So he thought that he should carry some water for tribe members and for teacher. Okay. The teacher and his caravan were also traveling 4 days and had finally halted in the remote desert before starting their journey again. Children, caravan means group of people. Those who are traveling to with teacher. So they halted in remote desert. Remote desert means far away, okay, from the main center of the population. They halted there. After a 4-day journey, the young man reached the desert where his teacher had set up the camp. He offered the teacher water from his leather container. The teacher took a deep breath and drank the water. He then smiled warmly and thanked his student for carrying the sweet water for him. The young man left the water-filled container for other members of his tribe and returned to his village with a happy heart. Children, why the young man was very happy while returning? Yes, because the teacher received the gift from him and thanked him for that special gift. Later, the teacher let another student taste the water from the leather container. As soon as he tasted the water, he spat it out, saying that it was awful. It had become stale because of the old leather container. The student questioned his teacher. Master, the water was full. Why did you pretend to like it? The teacher replied, You only tasted the water. I tasted the gift. The water-filled leather container brought by my student was an act of loving kindness, and nothing could be sweeter. Learn to be grateful for the gifts you receive. Children, in this story, you saw that the teacher showed his gratitude towards the student who carried the sweet water for him and other students. Although the water was not good in taste, but the teacher thanked his student for the gift that he bought in form of water. Children, similarly, we should be thankful for the gift that we get from other person. Children, we should not judge the gift by his cost, appearance or size, but we should see the feeling of the person who bought it for us. Like that student who brought a fresh water for his teacher and other students. Children, hope you all have understood the moral of the lesson. Read this lesson, learn all the words meaning and write question answer. Thank you and have a good day.